Welcome. In this video we are going to see basic introduction of TShark. TShark is command line tool of Wireshark, or you can say Wireshark command line interface. So let's begin. In terminal, I'll just type TShark space -h. You can see the options of TShark. Now clear the terminal and type TShark space -D. Now you can see the list of the interface. Now to select the interface, type TShark space -I eth0. Here you can see the packet capturing is started. Now stop this and type TShark space -D. Now you can also select interface based on this number. Here you can see I'm using number of the interface to capture the traffic TShark-D. Now next, if you want to capture traffic from two or more interface, so now type TShark space -I eth0 space -I any. Here we are capturing traffic on two interface. Here you can see we are capturing traffic from two interface. So that's it in this video on introduction of TShark, which is command line interface of Wireshark. Thank you for watching this video.